hurry.
Oh, Eek! You're right! He's right behind us! We gotta ride like the wind! Faster!
All right, you two lovebirds. Playground's closing. Come back tomorrow.
Thank you for having us, Nice Man. We most heartily enjoyed ourselves.
Oh, Eek! I just love playing cowboys with you, my little Pony Express of love.
Boy, those cowboys must have had neat lives, eh, Annabelle? Think of all the adventure and danger.
Danger? What kind of danger?
Well, like rattlesnakes and saddle sores and renegades and banditos and desperados like the dog with no name. He was a drifter. And one day, the dog with no name drifted into the little town of Hay Fever, Colorado. That's when the trouble began.
Hasta la vista, hombre.
But you can't leave. You're the sheriff. The town of Hay Fever needs a sheriff, and
I'm out of here, man.
well, who's gonna be sheriff?
That's your problem, Mayor, man. You're gonna have to find some real doofus, man. I don't know if in this whole Wild West you're ever gonna find anyone stupid enough to wear this sheriff's badge, man.
Oh, man. Oh, no! The Bandito Bears are coming to town and the sheriff has tossed away his badge. Where will I ever find someone stupid enough to be sheriff?
Pardon me, Mayor, almost, sir. But, I think someone dropped the sheriff's badge. I found it in my eye.
Close the doors! It's freezing! On you go, bit of fun! Come on! Shut them doors!
Kumbaya, that Miss Annabelle sure can dance. Howdy, Miss Annabelle!
Oh, brave Sheriff Eek! I knew you'd come running as soon as you heard there was trouble.
Well,
That's right, Sheriff Eek. It's the Bandito Bears. They're right outside of town and headed this way.
Kumbaya! The Bandito Bears! I've heard of these desperados, but who are they? Whoa!
Who are they? Who are they?
Oh, I sure hope there's a bathroom in the little town of Hay Fever. It's been a long ride.
It sure has. We haven't stopped to brush our teeth in an hour.
Well, I can't wait to sit down to a big glass of warm milk.
Zit! How can you sit? I no longer have the feeling in my bottom. I want to get off this infernal horsey. This jostling, I am chafed.
You've got to find the bright side of things, Pierre. Things could be much worse.
Tell me how. How could things be worse? Ah! Whoa!
They're the toughest, the meanest, the most ruthless, and they're terrible dancers.
Kumbaya, the whole town is in danger.
Bingo.
But don't worry about it, Mayor Elmo. We're a whole town. There's just 4 bears. If we all stick together, pull together as a community, united we stand, divided we fall. Well, like I always say, if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself. You and me, Elmo, the sheriff and the mayor. It's our responsibility to make a stand.
Oh boy, I agree 100%, Sheriff Eek, and hey look, it's Elvis.
Huh? Hey, wait a minute, Mayor Elmo. This is 1860. Elvis isn't even born yet, and... Mayor Elmo? He's gone. Although he did leave me a lovely fruit basket.
Ouch!
Oh, no, you didn't, Pierre. Your bad attitude scared off the horses.
You're wrong, mon ami. It was not me. They were startled by those musical serpents.
Musical serpents?
Oui, these ones playing the maracas.
Don't worry, guys. We can outrun those snakes.
Yeah, it's a good thing snakes don't have feet to chase us with.
I'm afraid it is worse, mon amis. The snakes, they appear to have the station wagon. Hey-ho!
We're in luck, guys. There's all kinds of soft, lush green vegetation below for our cute little fannies to gently land in.
Très magnifique.
Kumbaya, I'm all alone. It's just me against the fearsome bandito bears. I'm all that stands between those outlaws and, well, something that's something, I'll bet. If only the odds were evened up. If only there were someone, some brave hombre to back me up. Someone like... the dog with no name! You'll help me, dog with no name? A dog of your high plains reputation has the time to defend right from wrong? To put his life on the line in the name of justice? Oh, well, what time does your soap opera start?
The cactus needles in my tail were not as painful as this humiliation.
Oh, come on, Pierre. We were lucky to round up these wild animals.
Yeah, Pierre. Otherwise, we'd have to walk.
If we were walking, at least maybe we would be getting somewhere.
Look, guys. There's the town of Hay Fever.
We'll gallop in with the wind in our hair and dust in our lungs.
Sharky, I mean dog with no name, wake up! Yes, sir, Sharky. It's a good thing we laid out that clever trap that we spent all night building. After our trap is sprung, we'll grab those bears and lock them up without dinner. I mean, unless they're really hungry. Of course I remember where the tripwire for our complicated booby bear trap is. What kind of big silly do you take me? Bow!
Oh, gee, guys, I hope they have ointment for our wedgies here. I'm chafed.
At least we made it to Hay Fever completely safe and sound.
Look, it is a dog. Bonjour, mon ami doggy. We wonder if we could please to be using the restroom.
Huh? Why do we have to go through you first?
We can't go through him. He's made of solid matter.
No, you fools. Don't you see? He is talking about the showdown. And if the only way we will get to use this town's restrooms is a showdown, then so be it. I cannot wait.
Hey, my shiny six-shooter's gone.
This is madness. The macho cowboy weapons. They are now full of the beta-carotene.
Oh, yeah, well, this is a children's show, guys. We aren't allowed to show six-shooters.
How are we going to have this showdown without these six-shooters?
Well, I don't know, you guys. I guess maybe we'll have to forego the showdown and do something else. Great idea, Sharky.
Yeah, we love the hustle.
So you see, Annabelle, in the end, another great myth of the Wild West was disproved. The Bandito Bears were much better dancers than anyone ever saw.
I'm not sure what it does, but I'm sure Bill's head will fit into it very comfortably.
Now the hurting has stopped.
This is it.
Does the hurting stop?
No more napping, sleepy man. Do you know what today is? Do ya? Ha! It's your burp day. I figured it out. Since I've known you, you've burped in your sleep this many beads. So I've invented the celebration, a way to honor momentous occasions like today. I call it the Burp Day, and today is your burp day, Bill. Happy Burp Day.
Well, that's very nice of you, Scooter.
The humans, they are just below us. This time their cunning and trickery will be no match for us. We will not be made fools of again, right, boys? Boys?
That's a good one, Squat. But can you do this?
Hey, that's great, Cutter. Hey, look at the face Doc's making. That's a really scary one, man.
Don't think Doc's playing the same game we are, Squat.
What a grouch! He could have thrown us out with our parachutes, man.
It's called a Burp Day clown.
It looks like some kind of dance ritual to me.
Let's make it their last. We move.
I am done with this birthday nonsense, Scooter. You hear me? Done!
Nobody likes a Burp Day party pooper, Bill. Ow!
It's time for something else now.
It sure is, Bill. We got a surprise guest arriving too, Bill. It wouldn't be a Burp Day without all your favorite friends.
Friend? What is this thing, this friend? And what is that?
This is a birthday cake. And on top, a special treat. I made these out of the powdery stuff I found near the swamp. I'm calling them candles. There's a candle for every time you burped. Isn't that neat? Now, all you do is blow out all the candles.
If I do, will you promise to jump in a volcano?
On 3, we rush them. 1.
Jump in a volcano? Oh, always with the joking, huh, Bill? Remember to blow out all the candles, buddy, and make a wish.
You're making a wish, all right.
2, 3.
Oh, they did it again, man! They trapped us, man! And this cake is strawberry! I hate strawberry, man!
Surprise! Look, Bill, your special birthday guest has finally arrived.
Babs? But Babs hates me.
Oh, no. When I told her it was your birthday, she was very excited. She says she knows all about this special day.
I sure do, guys. The most important birthday tradition of all.
What's this?
They're plans for my mini-mall.
Babs explained to me that on someone's birthday, it's traditional that the celebration involve the building of a shopping complex. Isn't that exciting?
Couldn't I just get kicked in the head again?
Come on, silly.
Ow!
It's time for some real birthday fun.
This information is highly disturbing.
If the humans have invented explosive weaponry, then dinosaur society is in grave danger.
The humans could level Jurassic City, rain destruction on dinosaur society as we know it, possibly even destroy this entire planet.
Figures. I just had my car washed. The humans must be stopped, but I no longer feel that it is safe for you to try and capture them until we've researched their weapons technology. With this highly advanced, state-of-the-art bug, we can listen in on the humans' explosive-making plans. Please put on your headphones for a demonstration.
I don't get how an ordinary bug is gonna help us eavesdrop on the humans. I guess saying I'm sorry isn't gonna give you your hearing back.
What?
What?
Make sure the first floor is really sturdy. It's got a whole 3 floors of sale items on top of it.
Can't take much more birthday festivity killing me.
Birthday fun. Too much. Can't feel my legs.
Almost time for your 60-second break.
Careful, Cutter. We must plant the bug in a spot that the humans are sure to spend a lot of time near.
Don't worry, Doc. I got it under control. Yeah!
I made you both lovely birthday special bark and mud sandwiches.
I never knew that celebration could be so exhausting.
At least we're eating well.
Come on, guys, time's up. Back to birthday fun.
What the heck do you think that is?
We have every reason to believe that this building the humans are so doggedly constructing is actually an explosive weapons laboratory. Dr. Steggy has been hard at work, deciphering the intricate code the humans seem to be communicating.
You must get inside the building and remove the humans' weapons plans and destroy the laboratory. The future of our society depends on it. Sounds like the humans are having a fight or something. Man, these noises are awful.
While we are wondering what these sounds mean, the humans are busily completing the laboratory. We must get inside.
Maybe we should wait. They've got explosives in there. They could blow us to bits.
Come, we move.
Very nice, boys. Now, watch as I try out my last clever idea. Our mini-mall security device. Our mini-mall needs security so that nothing happens to all of the wonderful things inside.
But perhaps there's nothing in there.
Not yet, but next birthday you'll spend stocking the place.
Boy, are you lucky, Bill.
No, please, no more birthdays.
Charge!
Let's kick some
Let's
tail!
kick some butt.
Huh? That's neat, Babs. Can I try?
No, Scooter, you're a man. You don't know what.
Whee!
My beautiful mall, it's gone. Ruined. My life is ruined. I'll never get over this. I never want to see you two boneheads again.
Now you've done it. She's gone, maybe forever. No more building, no more learning, no more advancing as humans led by the larger brain of the female. Because of you. You!
Nice work, Scooter.
Thanks, Bill. Happy birthday.
Come on, let's go eat some bugs.